Welcome back to Ancient Empty Go, where we explore the delicious world of food. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse realm of chocolate. Forget that garbage you call chocolate spread. We're talking about the real deal. The kind of chocolate that would make Willy Wonka proud. Let's unwrap the different types of chocolate and discover what makes each one unique. We'll learn about their origins, their flavor profiles, and how to use them like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be a right chocolate connoisseur. First up, we've got the dawn of the chocolate world, dark chocolate made with cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and sugar. This one's for those who like their flavors bold and intense. We're talking 50% to 99% cocoa solids, none of that milky nonsense. It's got a slightly bitter edge like a good cup of coffee, and let me tell you, it's bloody fantastic. Dark chocolate is incredibly versatile. You can use it for baking, snacking, or even in savory dishes if you're feeling adventurous. Personally, I love it in a rich chocolate mousse or some decadent truffles. It's the kind of chocolate that demands respect. You know what I mean? Now let's talk about milk chocolate. This one's for those who like things a little sweeter, a little more forgiving. It's made with cocoa solids, cocoa butter, sugar, and of course, milk powder or condensed milk. It's got that creamy texture and sweet taste that everyone loves. Milk chocolate is the go-to for candy bars and desserts like chocolate fondue and cakes. It's the kind of chocolate that brings people together, but don't let its popularity fool you. A good quality milk chocolate can be absolutely divine. All right, now this one's a bit controversial, white chocolate. Some people say it's not even real chocolate because it doesn't have any cocoa solids. They're not wrong, but let's give it a chance, yeah? It's made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids, giving it that distinct vanilla flavor. Look, it's not my first choice, but I can appreciate a good white chocolate when it's done right. It can be delightful in baking, desserts, and confections like truffles and ganache. Just don't go serving me a white chocolate bar and calling it a day. Now, this is where things get interesting. Ruby chocolate, the new kid on the block. It's made from ruby cocoa beans, which gives it this natural pink color. No artificial nonsense, just pure chocolate goodness, and the flavor? Absolutely brilliant. It's got this fruity, slightly tangy taste that's unlike anything you've ever tried before. It's perfect for specialty chocolates and desserts, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Now, let's talk about bittersweet and semi-sweet chocolate. These two are like the reliable workhorses of the chocolate world. They've got a higher cocoa solids content than milk chocolate, giving them a more intense flavor. Bittersweet is less sweet, like a good, strong espresso, while semi-sweet is a bit milder. These two are absolute must-haves for baking. Cookies, cakes, brownies, you name it, they can handle it. They add depth and complexity to your baked goods, elevating them to a whole new level. Now we're getting into the big leagues. Couverture chocolate, the Rolls-Royce of the chocolate world. This one's for the serious chocolatiers, the ones who demand nothing but the best. It's got a high percentage of cocoa butter, giving it this incredibly smooth texture and glossy finish. You won't catch me using anything else for coating, molding, and making decorations. It's the secret to achieving that professional-looking shine and snap. Trust me, once you go couverture, you never go back. Let's not forget about the unsung hero of the chocolate world, cocoa powder. This is the base, the foundation of so many chocolatey creations. It's made from pulverized cocoa solids and comes in two varieties, natural and Dutch processed. Natural cocoa powder is your standard issue, with a slightly acidic and bitter flavor. Dutch processed, on the other hand, has been treated with an alkali, which neutralizes the acidity and gives it a smoother, milder flavor. And finally, we come to the most hardcore chocolate of them all, unsweetened chocolate. This one's not for the faint of heart. It's pure, unadulterated chocolate liquor with absolutely no sugar added. It's intensely bitter and rich, the kind of chocolate that will make your face pucker. But in the right hands, it can be a thing of beauty. It's primarily used in baking and cooking, where other ingredients provide the sweetness. Now that we've explored the types of chocolate, let's talk about how you can use them in your kitchen. From tasting and comparing their flavors to creating delicious recipes and even making your own chocolate at home, the possibilities are endless. In our next videos, we'll dive deeper into each type of chocolate, share some mouth-watering recipes, and show you how to make chocolate pairings that will impress your guests. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for joining us on this chocolate journey. Let us know in the comments which type of chocolate is your favorite and what recipes you'd like to see next. Until then, keep indulging in the sweet world of chocolate. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it.